Hello, myself Chirag Bhalodia. Today I am going to explain you Playfair Cipher, topic of network security. There are basically two types of symmetric cipher. First one is substitution cipher, second one is transposition cipher. Let us see the definition of both the cipher. Substitution cipher means letter or bit replaced with another letter, bit or numbers or symbol. So for example ABC is the plaintext and the generated ciphertext is XYZ. It is called substitution. A with replaced with X, B replaced with Y and C replaced with Z. Transposition cipher. Transposition cipher, there is no replacement, only position are changed or reordering of position of given plaintext and generate ciphertext. For example, ABCDE is the plaintext. Now rearrange the order and this is the ciphertext BADEC. Types of substitution technique, there are 6 types: scissor cipher, monoalphabetic cipher, polyalphabetic cipher, Playfair cipher, one-time paired cipher and Hill cipher. Today I am going to explain Playfair cipher. Now, introductory part of Playfair cipher. In this cipher technique, more than one character are used during encryption or decryption. So you can also call it is multiple cipher, multiple letter substitution technique. Input of these techniques are key and plaintext. Key is also called as keyword. Keyword is always string in this technique. So rules for the encryption. First of all, construct 5x5 matrix of the given keyword. Now, for example, keyword is monarchy. Now create a matrix. This is 5x5 matrix. There is 25 characters we can fit over here. And first of all, put the keyword letters MONARCHY and the all blank boxes with fill with remaining letters which is not used in keyword. Here I and J both are combined because there is a 25 box and our alphabets are 26. Second possibility is if any characters are to be repeated in given keyword, used it only once during matrix filling. For example, Playfair is the keyword. Now create a 5x5 matrix. So see, you can see over here PLAYF. Then A is ignored because it is repeat. So IR and rest of matrix are filled by remaining letters. So you can also write over I or J. Now work with plaintext message. Plaintext message that we want to encrypt broken down into group of 2 alphabets. It means make a pair of 2 alphabets of given plaintext. For example, my plaintext is my name is Mahi. So create a pair. First pair is my NAMEISMAHI. So as per the rules, make pair of 2 alphabets of the given plaintext. Another possibility is if both alphabets are the same in plaintext. Now see the example over here, green. So first pair is GR, second letter both are same, double E. So as per the above rules, EX. So add an X after the first alphabet. So first alphabet is E, then put X, then EN is the last pair. Only one is left in plaintext. For another example, network. So it is NE, first pair, TWOR, then K is left. So you can see over here KX. K is filled with X and make a pair with X. Now encryption rules. As per the this given rule, first of all see the example, then I will explain this rule. Keyword is Playfair and plaintext is OC. So I will generate ciphertext of OC. So first of all create 5x5 matrix as per the given rule. If the alphabets are not in the same row or column, so see the plaintext alphabets O and C both are not in the same row or same column. So what we have to do, we have to move in the row in which O is placed and check where the intersect it with C's column. So this is O, this is column of C, intersect with S. So alphabet O, it generates ciphertext S. Now check the row in which C is placed. So this is the row of C in which O is intersect with its column. Now checked. So O is intersect with C over here R. So my plaintext is OC and it generates ciphertext SR. Ciphertext is SR as per the above rule. If my plaintext letter both are lies in the same row. Now check another example. Playfair. Now GM is the plaintext. So you can see your G is here, M is here. So both are in the same row. So as per the above rule, if both the alphabets in the pair appear in the same row of matrix, replace them with alphabets through their right respectively. So first letter is G, then as per the rules immediate right respectively. So G it replaced with H. If the original pair is on the right side of the row, then wrapping around the left side of the row happens. So as per the second alphabet it is M. M is the last character of this row, so it wrap around and come over here. So M replaced with E. So G replaced with H and M replaced with E. So plaintext, and as per the given plaintext my ciphertext is HE. If both the plaintext in same column. Now check another example. Playfair. So if both alphabets in the pair appears in same column of matrix, replace them with alphabets immediate below from respectively. So my plaintext is IU. This is I, this is U. So it is below, immediate below. So I replace with E. So plaintext I, ciphertext E. If plaintext U, then as per this rule, top of the column. So U replace with P. So this is IU and replace with EP. So plaintext is IU and ciphertext is EP. Now check the one example. Find out ciphertext of the below plaintext using Playfair Cipher. Plaintext is tree is green, keyword is environment. Let us see solution. So plaintext it is divided into pair, create a matrix. So one by one it is ciphertext generated, and the final ciphertext is this. This is my final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel on YouTube. This is Chirag Bhalodia. Thank you so much, friends.